Okay, so this is activity number 12, extracted from the Raspberry Pi Essentials book for microprocessors. And so the activity consists of making a frequency generator with an LCD. And so this is a frequency generator project. A potentiometer and an LCD are connected to a Raspberry Pi. And by varying the potentiometer value, we can change the frequency generator on the PWM waveform output from the board. So the frequency is going to be displayed on the LCD, and here we got a little block diagram, and we can check our actual code right here. Okay, so it's kind of a short code, and we got our program running right now. So we got frequency at 1.4 kilohertz, and we actually have our oscilloscope plugged in, so we can see not just the value changing from the LCD, but also the waveform and the period changing on the waveform as we move the potentiometer, which is what. So if I lower down, we have a lower value, and our waveform is getting wider and wider and wider, as we can see on the oscilloscope. And as I move it to the other side, we increase our frequency, and we can see that on the oscilloscope as well. Yeah, so we got 50. Okay, that's actually visible right there. But yeah, it works. So that's 20 kilohertz right there. And so the code is basically, first we import our LCD library, then our U-time library for the delays, and then we also import PWM and the ADC library to activate the ADC. So here we put the input of our potentiometer at ADC channel 0, which is pin number GPIO number 26, which we can see right around, Jesus Christ, I just skipped it. Right around here. Okay, so GPIO 26, ADC 0. Right. After that, we initialize our LCD init. Then we set our PWM output to GPIO 16. Then we set our channel frequency, the default. Then we clear our LCD, and then we display the words, or the first on the first line as frequency. We're telling it's going to be displayed on hertz, right? Then we have an infinite loop where we check the value of our potentiometer, or the input that we get on the ADC channel, which is varied by the potentiometer. Then we set our LCD to this position, to the second line. Then we print the value. Well, we first convert the value into a string, and then we set the duty cycle of the channel, and we change that frequency, and we have a delay, and that just goes on forever. So it checks the value on the ADC channel, it reads the frequency, and it displays it on the LCD, which you can see right here. Our oscilloscope went to sleep. Okay, yeah, works pretty good.